Hey everyone, welcome in my channel Tech Pahadi. Today I will show you how to make a Facebook login page and also sign up page for this Facebook. So in this first part I will show you how I create this sign up page, and in later video I will show you how I create the login page for the Facebook. So let's start the coding for the sign up page. So guys, I have created a file that is signup.html that is I have stored onto the desktop, and it looks like the blank because we did not write anything inside the body, and I have to change this blank page into the this feature. So first is sign up. So for this I will go here. Now I will take a div tag and define a class for it. Let it be first. Sorry. First, then here I will type sign up, save it and check. Now sign up has come here at the top. Now we have to write it's free and always be. So after this use br tag because br tag break the line. And now I will use a span because later I have to use some css. So I'm using span here, and I will write here it is free and always be. Save it and check. Now it's come here. So now we'll use input tag because I have to take input from the user. So after closing of a span tag I will write here input type equals to text and placeholder equals to what I have written here, that is first name. So first name, then close it. After this input type equals to text. After this placeholder, and here I will write the last name. Let's save it and check how it looks. Now I will use here br tag. So br tag, save it and refresh the page. Now it comes down to the it's free and always be. Let me apply css for this class first. So here after head tag I will link my css file. So link, then relation equals to style sheet, and after this type equals to text and css. After this reference I will give the reference, and let me make a new file sign up.css. So save it and make a new file and named it sign up.css. Now I will apply css for the first div tag where the class equal to first. So the syntax for class character is dot, then after that the name of the class first, and here I will give the color equals to black, and then font size equals to 30 pixel, then margin, and that I will give 8 pixel, and padding also 8 pixel. Let's save it and check how it looks. Now it looks better. So now I will apply css for this span, that is here the span tag. So for the span I will apply css, copy it and paste here, and change the font size 18 pixel, and also the margin and padding that is 2 pixel. Now it looks same. Now I will apply css for these two input tags. So css will be dot, then name of the class, then input. After this type equals to text type, and then width width equals to 200 pixel, height let 40 pixel, then border radius equals to 4 pixel, then margin that is 18 pixel, and padding will be like 10 pixel. Save it and check how it looks. Let me change the width to 30. Now it looks fine. Now we'll make a second div tag for email, re-enter email or new password. So let's go back to the HTML document, and now I will create a second div tag, give it a class second, and here I will make input tag type equals to text, and inside the placeholder I will write the email or mobile number. So after this, copy this input tag and paste it 2 more times because I need 2 more input tags, where I will write re-enter email or mobile number, re-enter email or mobile number, and new password. Here I will write new password. Let me check how it looks. Go back to Chrome. Now I will apply CSS for these 3 tags, so which are under the second class. So go back to CSS file and copy this and paste here. Replace first class into second, and width equals to 500, and I have to change I have to give here margin left, from left 32 pixel. Save it, check it. Between these two div tags there are a lot of space, so to recover this I will change margin, and to break it I will use br tag. So go back to CSS and change it -8 pixel. Now I will use br tag 3 times. Three times also here. Now save it and check it. Now it looks better. Now I will make a new div tag for birthday and male female. So go back to HTML file. Now div refers to division, and give it a class equals to, let it be third. You can give any name for the class that you want. Type here birth, then date. After this use 2 br tags for break the line, and then I will use input tag type equals to, I will choose here a date because I need the birth in a date format, so it looks like this is for month. You can type here and also up and down from here, and this is for year. Now I will make a new input tag for male and female, that is the type of radio. So br tag for break the line, and now input type equals to radio. Radio is also a type of input. That means if you will click here, then it will disappear from here. If you click here, then it will disappear from here. Here you can give many options but cannot choose all of them. You have to choose only one. So radio, then you have to give a name that should be equal for both. Let it be GA, and the name for which I use this input tag is female. and after this input tag type equals to radio, and name should be equal, that is G. So this option for male. Now save it and check how it looks. Sorry, this page. Now to have some space between female and male, I will use here ampersand NBSP, that refers for no break space. It will have some little bit space. So now I will use BR tag after the second diversion, then it will look fine. Now I will use CSS for the margin and the padding of the third class. So this is CSS file, and for the third class I will type here dot third, then font size equals to 18 pixel and color equals to black, margin left, that is 30 pixel. Save it and check. Now I will write by clicking sign up this. So I have pasted it, and here I use anchor tag. Anchor tag is used to connect two files. Here the first file is our sign up file, and second file name will be mentioned here, but I didn't mention because I don't have any data users policy information. So save it and check how it looks. Now you can see after clicking it will go to .html page. You can give any name for the reference. Now I will make a sign up button. So for sign up button, type here input type equals to button. We can write here button or submit also, and value, give it a value equals to submit, and save it. And how it looks, this is our submit button. So sorry, sign up. Let me change this button type into submit type, because in later video I will show you the PHP coding where we will use this submit button. So now I will apply CSS for submit button. Before it, let me use some BR tag here also for good page. Now it looks similar. Now I have to use BR tag here also. No, not here, but after mail BR. Now I will use CSS. Now the CSS for submit button will be background color, that is 4B, 8B and 3B. Then width 200 pixel, height 30 pixel, then border radius equals to 4 pixel, then color of the sign up, that should be white color. So after this font size, that will be 18 pixel. Now save it and check how it looks. Now it looks better. So now I will write this line and then this one also. So go back to HTML file, and after the sign up button I will type it here. So save it and check how it looks. So guys, this is our sign up page. In my next video I will show you how to make a login page for Facebook and how I connect these both files. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, so like the video and subscribe my channel.